You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, including from French, yes, this one comes from French. Stay tuned, I've got many more confusing videos for you. Well, confusing vocabulary. Mime is the English pronunciation. Yes, it comes from French mime. So it would make sense to pronounce it mime, just like in French, but in English it's mime. Mime. Easy once you know mime, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.